Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up a rubber band powered plane here. We're going to show you how to build this little guy and stay with us. We'll show you how to fly it too. Here it is, Guillows, Captain Storm. There's your instructions and stuff all there on the back. We'll open this little sucker up, see what we can do with it, all right? All right. It says 2 planes. Look at here, 2 wings, 2 rudders and elevators, 2 bodies, 2 propellers, 2 rubber bands, and 2 landing gears. You can't beat that. It says on the thing, 2 propeller planes. All right, let's put this little guy together and see how it does. All right, here we are. It's a pretty simple little guy. There's catch for your rubber band right there. Take your wing, slips right through this little slot, like so. All right, now be careful not break that wing, okay? Just be real careful with it, okay? Right there on top of that where it says lot 124, that's right in the center. Now you can adjust it back and forth depending on how it flies. We'll try all that in a minute. Elevator slips right in the back right here. Put it right in the center there, like so. Okay. Rudder. It slips in right here. Just like that. Now you got a little pilot here too. All right. See the little pilot? He's going to slip in right here on top. There he is, right there. There's your plane. Now we're going to take our propeller and our landing gear. Landing gear slips right in here, that little slot right there. If I can get my fingers working here, like so. That slips on the front of the plane right here, like so. Here we are. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our rubber band. We're going to hook it on underneath the propeller here, the little hook. See right there? It's on right there. Pull it to the back. It slips on that little hook right there, like so. There we go. Now we're going to wind this up a little bit. See what we can do here. We'll take it over and fly it here in a few minutes. All right. Now remember, if it takes off and climbs, you can adjust the wing a little bit. If you need to, you can adjust. If it climbs, adjust the elevator down, okay? If it goes down, adjust the elevator up a little bit. You can slide the wing back and forth too to fix all that, okay? All right. Look at that. Yeah. Let's go see if we can do some flying here in the house just to kind of get an idea of what it's going to do, get it adjusted and all before we take it outside. All right, first flight, what we're going to do, wind this counterclockwise. Okay, just get it a few winds. We're going to give it a little flight here in the house just to see how it does, all right? Did pretty good, didn't it? All right. Move the wing back just a little bit toward the rear of the plane. Let's wind it, see what that does. See if it it's a little smoother or climbs or what, okay? Oh, that made it dive, didn't it? Do is move that wing forward just a little bit. See there? Move it back up to the front. Give it a little wind here, counterclockwise. Give it a few turns, just see what it does. All right, let's give it a little flight. Oh, look at that. That flew pretty good. I think we ought to take it outside and see how it does. What we can do here. A little bit of a wind out here, so I'm not real sure what's going to happen here. We'll see. All right, here we go. Look at him go. Whoa, looked pretty good, didn't it? Not much on landing yet, but it came with 2 planes in there. So we'll wind this one up. If we crash this and tear it up, oh well, we got another one. We'll put it together. Remember, counterclockwise. Give it quite a few turns here and see how it does. All right, let's go. Look at it fly. It flies pretty good, didn't it? I think we'll give this one a little toss up instead of straight out and see how it does, okay? Get some good winds on it here. I have a winder that counts them for me, but I don't have it with me, so let's throw this one kind of up, see how it does. Look at it go. Crunch. Ooh. Runs out of power from the rubber band. Doesn't float too good, does it? Let's do this again. Throwing it up kind of made it crash straight down. So, all right, that's pretty good right there. Let's see how this does. Whoa, I kind of hit that down a little bit, didn't I? All right, let's see what happens now if we just sit it down on the ground and let it go. See what happens. I don't know if it'll take off or not, but we'll find out here. All right, here we go. Set it down on the ground. Didn't have enough wind up, did it, to take off for sure. All right, we got our winder here. It'll count the winds for us. Let's slip this little guy in there like that and give it a bunch of winds. See how it does. 20, 30. Whoop. Slipped out, didn't it? Well, 50, 60, 70 winds. All right, let's see how this little guy does now. Kind of flowing with the wind here, so. Oh no! All right, we kind of did a little adjustment on the rudder there. See if we can straighten this out just a little bit. Let's put this guy right here. 20, 30, whoops, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. There's 80 winds. Let's see how it does here, okay? Put the little winder in my pocket so I can get my hands free. All right. Did pretty good. All right, we kind of adjusted the rudder a little bit. Let's see if we can get it to fly straight this time. There's 70 winds. All right, lay that down right there. Here we go. Look at that little guy go. Wow. Pretty good flight there once we got the rudder going the right way. Let's do this again. 0 our count. Put that in there and wind him up. There's 80 rounds. All right. Let's drop this little guy. See how we can do here. We did a little adjustment on the rudder there a little bit, so look at him go. Wow. Now I gotta go get it. All right, let's see if we can get him to take off from the ground. We adjusted the elevator up a little bit. See if we can get him to take off. There's 80 winds. All right. Drop my winder right down there. See if we can get him to take off right here, okay? It took off a little bit, but not much. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.